Causes of hiccups and how to stop hiccups. Ever wonder why we hiccup? It's a reflex action triggered by irritation in the diaphragm. Think of it as a glitch in your body's system, often caused by eating too quickly, drinking alcohol, or sudden excitement. But fear not, hiccups are usually harmless and stop within minutes. For stubborn ones, try holding your breath or sipping ice-cold water. If they persist for 48 hours, seek medical attention. It could signal a more serious underlying condition. Remember, when hiccups strike, stay calm and let your body reset itself. Now, go conquer those hiccups.